show you in 3 minutes how can you create Facebook posts every single day with the help of AI. You don't have to create a new idea, think about the concept, everything is going to be done automatically. Caption generation, image generation, as well as publishing the post. Posts like this related to whatever topic you want is going to be created on your Facebook page, and you just have to sit and relax and your content creation is completed. Now stay tuned till the end. This will be a short video and I will show you how you can create this setup that is automatically going to create and publish posts with the help of AI on your Facebook page every single day. Now, I am creating this amazing automation using the automation tool Pabbly Connect. On a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page. Sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the task, you can create this setup with me right away. Okay. Now, I have already logged in inside Pabbly Connect, and now I will show you the overview of this setup that creates content with the help of OpenAI every single day on my Facebook page. Now, for creating content every single day, first step that I've selected is Schedule by Pabbly Schedule Workflow. Before that, if you want the template that I am using and showing in this video, you can check out the workflow link added in the description section. Now my trigger is Schedule by Pabbly Schedule Workflow. Every single day, this workflow is going to run at the particular time, whatever you want. And at that time, automatically this workflow will trigger and the content creation will start. Okay, so that is why I've selected this trigger. It is scheduled for every single day at 12 p.m. according to my time zone. Now, after the scheduling will be completed, I asked OpenAI ChatGPT to generate the content for me. I've selected OpenAI ChatGPT. ChatGPT model 5.4 is going to generate the caption for the post first, because according to the caption, the image will be generated, and then with the caption and the image, the post will be created. So that is why this is my first step that I've selected. For creating the connection, go to the connected option and add new connection. You have to enter the token that you can directly generate from this hyperlink right over here. In the hyperlink, you can create your key from this section, copy the key, paste it down in the field and save the connection. Okay. Likewise, I have already created the connection, moved forward, selected the AI with the help of which I am going to generate the caption. So these are all the options. Select the AI model according to your requirement. Then you have to enter the prompt that is going to generate the caption according to you. Now, if you want the prompt that I am using in the video for automatically generating the caption, you can comment down below the word prompt and I will share you the prompt instantly. Okay. In the response, I have received this caption. You can see after we have the caption. Next, I have asked OpenAI OpenAI to actually generate the image according to the prompt using generate image GPT image 1. Okay, I've entered the prompt. This prompt is tailored to generating the image. I've entered the caption. Now, entering the caption from the previous step is known as mapping, and I have mapped this caption from the previous response. How you can do that? Add a slash where you want to map the data. Previous step will appear and simply select the data from the previous response. Now this data is mapped. Now whenever the new caption will be generated in the previous step, this data will be automatically updated with that. If you want this prompt also, comment down below. For the model, I am using the model GPT image 1. So I've selected it. I want only one image to be generated. So number of samples will be 1. This is the size of the image I want. You can select the size according to your requirement. Moderation is auto. Quality, I want high quality image. Background is also auto and the output format is PNG. And automatically the image, if I'm going to click on the save and send test request button in front of you, now another image is generated which I'll copy in front of you, paste it down in the field, and you can see this is the image that is generated right here. Okay, so now using this image and the caption that is generated, now you will create a Facebook page, create page photo post. Select the page where you want to post this image with the caption. For the photo URL, map the data of the URL that you have received in this step right here in the OpenAI step. Map the data of the caption over here. Click on the save and send test request button and you will receive an ID of the post that is created in like 5 seconds. This is the ID of the post. And if you'll go back to the page, refresh the page from here, you will see automatically the post is going to be created. Now, as this post is created right now, you can see just now, this is the same caption, this is the same image. As now it has been created. Now this post is created right now because we have clicked on the save and send test request button. We were testing this workflow. Now in real time, what will happen? According to the schedule that you have selected in the trigger, the workflow is going to trigger. First, OpenAI will generate a unique caption. Then OpenAI will generate a image related to the unique caption. With the unique caption and the image, OpenAI will create that post on your Facebook page. So this is how you create this amazing setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills. If you want the detailed version of this workflow, check out the video in the description section or in the I icon. I have added there. You can see the detailed video for the same workflow. Now, this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.